A rechargeable tracker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. This is the AIKO Finder by a company called Nonda. This is a rechargeable tracker and the company sent this out for me to review. You can pick this up online for $19 for a single tracker or a 4-pack for $48. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. This is a Bluetooth device, not a GPS, for those of you that are not familiar with trackers. You can attach them to your belongings and it will locate them with an audible sound or on a map with last known location. If you saw my review on the tile trackers, this is similar, but this particular tracker is rechargeable, unlike the tile which you have to replace every year. As mentioned, you can pretty much use these on many of your belongings, track keys, wallets, and it has a find your phone feature. The tracker is very similar in size to the tile. Inside you get a user guide and the micro USB cable for charging. The AIKO Finder has a plastic build quality all around. It has a top loop where you can attach a keychain or strap onto your belongings. In the center, you have the button that will allow you to toggle some of the functions, which we'll go over in a bit. On the bottom left, you have an LED indicator that will show the charge status when plugged in, a micro USB port for charging, and a little hole for the sound. It comes in at less than 1.5 inch in length and less than 2 inch in width, and just fractions of an inch in thickness. To begin setup, download the AIKO Key Finder app. Sign up for an account. Once you sign in, make sure you have Bluetooth, location, and notifications enabled. On the right is how the main dashboard will look. Clicking on the map on the top will show you the last known location your tracker was updated at. This is useful in the event that you are out of range and you lose it. The notification screen will show all the logs. The My option on the bottom right will provide you information of the device and account. You can change your email and password as well. Adding the tracker is simple. Click on the plus sign on the top and follow the prompt on the screen. Press the button in the middle until you hear the beep and hit next. Make sure you are in range and it will begin to connect. You will get the successful prompt and then you can choose a category depending on how you want to use the tracker. Pressing the find option on the app will make the tracker beep a few times in the event that you are trying to locate your belongings. There is also an option to ring your phone in the event that you misplaced it. Double click the tracker and it will ring. Expanding the tracker details, you can see a bunch of options. You can see the connection status, the battery life, change the category, and also the ringtones. This is the classical call tone. The Canon tone. Humoresque. Dream Wedding. Twinkle Twinkle, and G major. And lastly, the device detail. It shows the status and allows you to transfer to another account. The AIKO Finder. If you tend to misplace your belongings or just want peace of mind in the event that you lose them, then you might want to check out the AIKO Finder. This is a great finder because the good feature is it can be recharged. It also has all the features that the other brands have, and the price is great if you get them in the 4-pack. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care everyone.